Mr. Horsies. I'm looking for Mr. Chunky. Chunky the cow. Can you help me out? I'm looking for Chunky the cow, man. So we looking for Mr. Chunky. They don't look like them. Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah. Turn my music up. Turn my music up. Trunk shit now. Trunk shit now. Trunk shit now.
Package in. Package in, baby. Let's get it. Never. Oh my goodness, man. Y'all just don't know how much this means to me, bro, because I got the box turned this way so I don't show y'all my information. Y'all don't know how much this means, bro. I ain't hit on Sneakers Out in probably a year and a half. I think the last thing I hit on Sneakers Out was the Ceremony Gold 11 Lows. Yeah, it's been a minute, bro. It's been a minute. Now, you know, that's without saying, I do have a plug, you know, and I ain't really just had to go on Sneakers Out to get my shoes. So right now I'm gonna take this moment to say shout out to the plug. I appreciate you, I really do. More than you know, brother. More than you know. But anyways, this is the Sneaker Out review of the Chunky, Dunky, Monkey, Funky, SB things, bro. So with that being said, I know y'all anxious to see them. I'm anxious to see them. I know y'all got the big question. The big question is out there for everybody who's got these. I've seen some early reviews. This will be my first SB low. Back in the days, I used to rock SB highs, dunks, if you will. Not really SBs, but I used to rock dunks. Back in the day, I used to rock them on the basketball court. So, yeah, crazy, I know, but the traction is just pretty much like a Jordan 1. So, with that being said, this is probably why I love Jordan 1s. It's my best silhouette. With that being said, let's keep it all about these chunky, dunky things. Man, I'm so excited, man. Yada, yada. These are going for the bread. Y'all know how much bread these are going for. So if you do decide to sell, you rolling in dough right now. You know what I'm saying? Anywhere from $1,000 up to $2,000, I've been seeing these things sell over the last 3 days. So, that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into it. Shout out to Sneakers Out, man, for letting your boy finally hit. And I've been missing out on after cop. I ain't even tried no more. Actually, I didn't even try this year at all. But first one I tried on, man, and I scored. It's funny because I changed my bank information that morning to my new bank. I changed not new bank, but I changed my wife's bank account to my bank account, and bam, I hit, man. And they let me know. I tried to get them the app at 9 o'clock. It kept backing out. Then it kept saying add payment information. I was like, oh, I don't, pretty much messed up the church's money, changing the bank account. But then I went back in. Finally let me enter the draw at 9:02. Let me enter, and I pretty much chalked up the L in my mind. I was like, it's an L. 2 minutes after, we know how the bots are. Usually things say sold out after 2 or 3 minutes. Whether it's a draw or whether it's a release, it doesn't matter. Sneakers Out, man, it's so funny, man. But within 8 minutes, right after that, exactly at 9:10, it sent me the got 'em message or whatever. And y'all don't know how that felt, man. I should have recorded that day, but I was at work, so it was impossible. I was on lunch break, actually. I mean, not lunch break, but first I was on a break. Took a break, 10-minute break at work, and hit on them things, man. So y'all see my little live feed where I went up a little bit at break time to show you, and to tell everybody I hit on those things, man. A lot of people didn't believe it, but here they go. Okay, I had to get that story out the way. I'm sorry, y'all. Bear with me. Let's get into it. Shaking these things, man. Making a little noise at me. Cut that Nike tape. I'm gonna cut from the bottom. That way it look like I don't want to damage the box. Now, I've seen the friends and family pair on reviews, and I've seen people get them early without the boxes. There's a lot of backdooring going on these. That's why a lot of people are upset. I get it. But let's be honest, a lot of people just wanted to resell them. I know a lot of people, some people wanted to rock them. A lot of people wanted to resell them. Now me, I'm gonna hold on to them for a minute, man. Depends on how they look when I put them out this box. But I'm playing it right now with the sniper. It's to hold on to them for a little bit, because if you're gonna sell them, you need to hold on to them, man. I mean, especially if you got them for retail, because $100, Doc, if you can't hold $100 to the end of the year or next year or something like that, toss that box away, baby. I don't know if you got these things from retail, off the sneakers out. $100, man, $109 plus tax. But by the way, that ain't y'all seen the Nike tape on these things. Y'all seen the Nike tape. Okay? You see the Nike tape. You see all that. But they didn't send me no receipt unless it's inside this box. But there's the Nike SB box, baby. Whew, there it is. Yeah, man, a lot of cattle in this thing. A lot of cattle in this thing. You hear me? A lot of beef. A lot of beef. A lot of beef. So y'all know these are the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS colorway white University Gold. For your boy, all right? So I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or sell them down the line, man. So let me just look at it. Literally, I'm shaking, bro. This is how I felt when I hit on that thing, man. I got a lot of hate on this. Shout out to my guys, all my friendly YouTubers out there. Shout out to y'all, man. Don't be that way. Don't be that way. Ooh. Ooh. You got some cow fur on this thing, bro. All right, let's take out one shoe, then I'll look at the other one in a minute. Oh my God, bro. And now they calling these shoe of the year, and I can understand why. I really can't understand why they're calling these shoe of the year, man. These are crazy. Yeah, man. These are crazy, bro. Look here. A lot of detail into the shoe. There's a lot going on. And these chunky monkeys, chunky donkeys, man. I keep saying chunky monkey, man, because I think that's the flavor of the ice cream that these are actually detail behind. Whew. Fire, man. Y'all just give me a moment of silence. These deserve a moment of silence, all right? It's just... All right, man, after that moment of silence, because this is some people's shoe of the year, and after having them in hand, I can see why. Sauce. These are fire, bro. If you remember the Animal Instinct 3s, the first version had the ferret on them just like that. I didn't cop those, by the way, but I did. I do think they're dope. I might get them down the line. My boy Rob copped them, so that's how I know about this ferret that's on the side. It's very, very similar. What do they call it? Boyak or Bonyak or whatever it's called. Real cowhide or whatever that's on the shoe. You got the melted Nike sign on the side right there. For the melted ice cream or the banana flavor in the Ben & Jerry Chunky Monkey. This shoe is dope, bro. That's my first SB. Hey, but they knocked this collab out the park, bro. I can see why it's all hyped up. My favorite part looking on pictures, let me look in the back. My favorite part looking on pictures, man, was that cloud stitching. Yeah, that small detail of that stitching on that cloud, of the clouds on the Ben & Jerry ice cream container. And you got Nike in yellow in the back right there, man. Just dope, man. And the yellow is like a dark mustard yellow. Just fire, bro. Fire, okay? The cow print alone is just stupid. And people talking about it's too kiddie to rock. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Because if you hit on the shoe, you have second guesses of selling it. Well, some of y'all might, because I understand if you need the money, then I understand selling it right away. But other than that, bro, miss me with that one. Miss me with that one. The texture on the toe box, just a plain leather. I mean, it's good quality leather, but it's just a plain leather. That sky blue on the toe box is fire. That's stupid. Man, I'm actually having second thoughts of keeping these. Well, matter of fact, I know I'm gonna keep them. There ain't even second thoughts. These are getting kept in the collection, man, for at least a little while. Until a rainy day. Unless I need to sell these and actually get something else that I really, really want. But I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna put these on feet. So if y'all gonna wait for on feet, ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna keep these dead stock for a while, bro. These are fire, man. You got the Ben & Jerry's inside the shoe. See Ben & Jerry's right there in the sole. On the bottom, you got the green, and that is light green, not yellow. On the bottom of the sole, that's light green. So you got green and light green, and it goes with the green grass and the cow pastures and everything else, man. So being from the South, if you're down here in the South, you understand the cows very, 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 very well down here. You know what I'm saying? Very well down here. These are dope, man. I'm playing around, man, but I'm just so excited, bro. When I hit on these, man, it was like, wow. The sneaker guys will shine down on your boy, because I ain't hit on sneakers out, like I told you, in a year, man, like a year and a half. Whenever those last Jordan Ceremonial 11s came out, man, so these are dope. These are fire, just to have these. But yeah, no Nike receipt, bro. I didn't get any Nike receipt in the box. Y'all comment down below if Nike has been doing that, because I don't know. Like I said, I ain't hit on them, so, bruh. Just fine, man. So here's the other shoe, man. It comes with the yellow laces in this thing, man. Also comes with the green laces in these things, man. So you got 3 pair of laces. You got the white, you got the green, and you got the yellow. I see a lot of people probably rocking the yellow in that guy, or keeping the white in there, man. The cow fur is like, it's not a white and black. It's more of a grayish, silverish, and black on the shoe. Another dope thing about it is, in the inside of the shoe on the collar, they got the tie-dye effect going on, man. So I can see a lot of people rocking tie-dye shirts with this. If you're younger, I don't think the grown men need to rock tie-dye, but hey, you do what you do. You do what makes you feel better about yourself. You feel me? But I ain't gonna rock no tie-dye. If I do rock them, it'll be a white t-shirt. Definitely, because there's a lot going on with the shoe. I would want the shoe to make the outfit. But so man, you know, cows, hey, 3 things. Cows are used for beef. Cows are for the milk and the dairy products. And the ice cream for Ben & Jerry. And Ben & Jerry's just letting us know one more thing. Ben & Jerry and Nike, that is letting us know cows are used for a 3rd thing, man. And that 3rd thing is swag, baby. Swag. Nice cowhide swag. Mooing all the way. You feel me? Mooing all the way, baby. But man, nah, I'm just excited, man. These joints are fire. Looking at reviews, every shoe on the cowhide print, the dairy cow print, let's just say dairy cow print, so y'all can understand what I say. Yeah, dairy cow. We all know it's a dairy cow. The dairy cow print is different on all the way around. Each shoe you get is different. And mine is just so dope because on this one, man, it looks like Dalmatian is spotted up going all the way around the toe box, which is dope. These things are so fire, bro. I can't believe I hit on these things, man.
Anything's possible. Anything's possible.
You got it more of a black going all the way around. This one's got more of a spotted feel all the way around the shoe, which is fire. Man, I got a dope pair too, bro. A dope pair. And the thing is, I didn't try nobody else's size. I tried my size because I knew that if I got them in hand, I might like them, I might keep them. And that is exactly what's happening right. All right. Real quick, YouTube. So just to show you, okay? Here's the way I open the box. There's that Nike paper, Lord. Woo! Still shaking, bro. Still shaking after hitting these things. But anyways, no receipt, man. No receipt. I know Nike used to send you a receipt with it, man. What's the business? Is it because it was a drawing or a limited release like that? They just had to do it like that? Or y'all comment down below, man. Let me know, man. With that being said, look at that Nike SB box, bro. I'm just so glad these jokers came in today. Hey, and another thing, 2-day shipping. Your boy has an advantage on that because I live in Tennessee, and y'all know that the Nike factory is in Memphis. So they bless your boy with 2-day shipping because I didn't pay for that. I just paid for standard. Anything I hit on Nike, I always pay for standard, and it comes in 2 to 3 days anyway. So I pretty much get 2-day shipping regular here because I live in Tennessee. Makes sense? But yeah, man, pull back that paper. You see, you got that regular dunk paper. Same dunk paper was in those SB LA to Chicago's. I got those up there as well. Collection just went up another 2,000. You know what I'm saying? In actuality, but I think if you hold on to these, bro, let's look at that, bro. Just look at the material on this thing. You know I had to give you that 4K. I wasn't gonna leave it like that, brother. Look at that 4K. That cow sign. You know what? I didn't do that right. Let's go ahead and bring it in. Yeah, that's how we wanted it to be. Yeah, man. Bro, it looked like they just took the fur off the damn dairy cow and put it straight on the shoe, bro. And I love the detail of that stitching in the back right there with that Nike, bro. That is just fire. Yeah, I'm giving you up close. Look at this. Tie-dye material right there with the Ben & Jerry in the inside. All day. Yeah, all day. Look, you want to read a tag with me? I'm not even playing with you. Behind the tongue, yeah, I know about it. Ben & Jerry's. If it's not fun, why do it? Yeah, just fire, bro. These junks are fire, man. And hey, shoe of the year, you got my vote. You got my vote, and that's not just because I hit size 13. See your boy. There's the tag. If I can see that info right there, 100% authentic. Love the way they did the Nike check all the way around, bro. It's got that Nike check right there. It's got like I remember when the SB Dunks came out with the waffle. It was like the waffle Nike Junks, and they had that drip going off the Nike swoosh like that. But they were high tops. If y'all remember that, comment down below. But with that, I like how they do the big Nike checks like that because they give like an off-white vibe, and it stands out when you wear the shoe. Dope material, dope execution. Nike and Ben & Jerry, you killed it, bro. But just for me hitting on these chunky donkeys, man, y'all give me hey, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, baby. This will give me about 200 subscribers coming this way. If you're watching it, subscribe. You won't be disappointed. I get early reviews all the time. Still striving to hit that 10K by the end of the year, man. If not, hit it before then because the channel's hot right now. The channel's hot. I'm hot. I'm hitting on sneakers out, man. Let's see if we can hit these Travis Scotts tomorrow or tonight. I heard about a shock drop. But I'm going to hurry up and get this video out. Don't need a lot of editing, man. It's the chunky donkeys, baby. Chunky donkeys. And I heard there's only like 30K that released on these, like 30,000 pairs to 50,000 pairs. Y'all comment down below if that's true, which I can understand why the price is at. I know they damn well very limited. So damn limited. Dog. Woo, feels good to do this. Hello. SB Game is at the top where your boy need to be at on this channel. So till next time, we out. I ain't gonna drop it.